big crisis going on in Middle East as both sides from Iran and Israel trading missile attacks for the last 7 days. There is no halt, there is no sign of halt, and crisis escalating gradually as no one want to stop the attacks, especially from the Israel continues attacking in different military and nuclear site in Tehran. Across the Tehran, they carrying out missile and air strikes from different positions, which is actually a big setback for Iran. At the same time, Iran are vows to give a punishment, harsh punishment from the day one. They are saying that every attacks, no attacks will go unpunished, or every attacks will met with the similar attacks. Uh, that is the that is actually escalating the situation in Middle East between the two rising power in the region. Iran already uh, attacks in several positions in Tel Aviv and Israeli occupied Palestinian Palestinian side, Israeli occupied region, and also Haifa, which is the main uh, port city of Israel, are being attacked by the Israel, are targeted by the Iran. I think Iran shows their capabilities that they can still attack on the Israeli targets and damaged severely to their targets, which already proven that they already claims, both sides claims that uh, the skies of both sides are controlled by the two countries, and they can easily penetrate the air defense systems and target their and their missiles hit on the target. That we have seen over the last few days. And from the Iranian side, the resistance is vigilant. They are shooting down Israeli drones, they are shooting down their missile air defense systems, shooting down some missiles from the Iran, and also Iranian missiles penetrate Iranian uh, Israeli air defense systems and hit on the target and cause severe damage on most important or significant sites in Israel, which actually Israel considered and reviewed the damaged, how much it can be caused and how much Iran is threat for them. That can be reviewed again. And what is role are being played by the Western countries, especially I would say United States of America. Donald Trump is not confirmed or determined in one side. He is uh, delivering or confusing. He is very confused whether he or United States of America should the involve the conflict and attack on Iranian nuclear site. That he is still review, and he took he took 2 weeks, that he in this time he will take decision whether he is join in the conflict or not. But from the Iranian side, they from the day one and the before the attack of Israel, they said we are not on the position of receiving nuclear weapons, or we don't want to we don't want nuclear weapons, but we want it for peaceful purposes. They need nuclear fuel in terms of energy, so that is their target. But from the Israel claims that Iran is on the point of making nuclear weapons. That is completely false and denied by the Iranian authorities, and also US intelligence head said that Iran is not on the point, and Western intelligence agencies also said that Iran is not on the verge of making nuclear weapons. But Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu continuously and repeatedly claims that Iran is on the point. That means they want to attack Iran and they want to destabilize Iran. They want to change regime of Iran, that and to restore such kinds of governments will follow their instructions. They want to do that, but from the Iran they are very determined. Iranian Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei and his advisors, military commanders are very determined to protect the sovereignty, defend themselves, defend their country from any aggression, and they want to teach a lesson to aggressors. So this is their determinations. And Israel claims that more than 20 commanders have been killed of their attack in Tehran, but still they are replacing the commanders. They are maintaining their order and situations. They still capable to attack in any position in Tel Aviv, and there is a news that still Tehran is new generation weapons on the shelf. They could be use it if escalate the situation further, or if they threaten that if United States of America or Donald Trump will get involved in this conflict and attack on the Iranian nuclear site, the it will bring the catastrophe in the whole region, and they will punish to them with unbelievable way. That means they, and also Russia in these cases, Russia already involved. They are saying in favor of Iran. They're saying if any kinds of escalations or involvement from the United States of America, the situation will be more severe and catastrophe in the whole region. China and North Korea will take the same positions. That is the new tensions from the Western countries, and meanwhile, Western countries leaders, basically, especially UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer said or urged Mr. Trump to side aside, not to involve. That is the last message from the UK, and they are now right now they are holding discussions with Iranian authorities, especially Iranian foreign minister, how to postpone these severe or catastrophic escalations to stop them. But their position is that Iran should never ever got nuclear weapons. That is their main commitment. Their main concern is over there, and they want to make ensure that it is the main point or focusing point of discussion right now. We have to wait and see whether the conflict is stop or not. Thank you.